Hello, this is Teresa Masters from CRM Technologies. Today I'll be showing you how to work with opportunities in Dynamics CRM 2013. In Outlook, open your CRM organization, then open Sales, Sales again, and then click on Opportunities. Top tip of the day: the preview pane of your opportunities can be dragged down should you have a long list of opportunities. In a previous video, I showed you how to qualify a lead into an opportunity. An organization may elect not to use leads and rather to use opportunities from the start of their sales cycle. This is how to create a new opportunity for those organizations. When in Opportunities, click on New. Type the topic of your sales inquiry. We are now going to look up the name of the prospect who's called in, who says he's an existing customer. Scroll down and click on Look Up More Records. Type in the name and press Enter. Look, here he is. Click on Add. Let's type in Andrew's company name. Now we'll type in what time frame Andrew wishes to purchase in. Make sure you have the correct currency for this client, and then you can populate the rest of this opportunity with more information relevant to this opportunity. Note the center pane contains all the posts, activities and notes relevant to this opportunity. Now click on Save. You will now see the sales stages in this top bar. The contents of these stages can be customized to suit your organization. Complete the relevant information in order to move on to the next stage. Should you scroll down on the opportunity, you will notice the product line items. This is where you will add the products related to your opportunity. Let's add the price list we'll be using for this opportunity. To add products, click on the plus sign. Here we can add an existing product from our price list, or we can add in a manual write-in product. Click on the magnifying glass to look up the existing product. You can also click on Look Up More Records to search for further products. Click on Select, then Add. Adjust the quantity according to the client's requirement. Let's add another product. Oops, this is the wrong product. Let's delete it. Let's add in a manual write-in product. Type in the name of the product, the unit price, as well as the quantity. Let me show you how to add a quotation to an opportunity. Open an opportunity and scroll down to Quotes. Click on the Add button. The quotation ID will be automatically generated for you, as well as the revision ID. Products added to the opportunity will automatically show in the quotation. These can be adjusted and removed as required. On the quotation, you may add discounts in percentage or number format. Complete the shipping and billing address if required. A description field is included should you need to supply more information on the quotation. This field can be included in your quotation format for the final printing. Click on Save. You can now print the quotation for your customer. Once you are happy, you may activate the quotation. Your quotation will now be listed under Quotes on the opportunity. Now a bit more about sales stages in opportunities. Once you have worked through all the information in the qualify stage of the sales cycle, you may move on to the next stage. It is important to note that these requirements can be adjusted specifically for your organization's needs. Let us add activities and notes to our opportunity. In the center pane of the opportunity, click on Activities. Let's add a phone call. Type the details of what the phone call was regarding and click on OK. Note you can also change the direction of the phone call from outgoing to incoming. Now let's create a task by clicking on Add Task. Type the subject for the task, then select the due date as well as the time that you would need to perform this task by. Then click on OK. Add a note by clicking on Notes in the center pane of the opportunity. Type in the text of your note and then click on Done. You may also attach a file to your note by clicking on Attach. At the end of a sales cycle, you'll either be closing the opportunity as won or closing the opportunity as lost. Let's show you how to do this. If you created a quotation on the opportunity, you'll be closing your opportunity through the quotation. In this instance, the client has accepted the quotation, however at a reduced quantity. We will revise the quotation, adjust the quantity, and then activate the quotation. Now we will create an order, and while creating the order, we'll mark the opportunity as won according to the quote value. Click on OK. More about orders in a later video. For now, you can close the active order for your orders department to deal with. To close an opportunity as lost, I will use an opportunity without a quotation so that you can see the difference. Click on Close as Lost from the top menu. Type the conclusion on why you are closing this opportunity. And click on OK. I hope you gained new CRM skills in working with opportunities. Don't forget to keep visiting our website for more videos and become a CRM super user with CRM Technologies. This is Teresa Masters. Goodbye.